Hello guys. So this is like 3 days after we last saw. Yes, 3 days after my journey. And today I woke up since 6 and I was like, I plan to clean the house. So I've started though. I didn't pick my camera, but I decided to do it now. So see, the room is dark. Oh. We have issue of water destroying everywhere. So I packed some of those things to one side so that I'll clean the room. Yeah, so I don't want my baby to come in a dirty environment. Yeah, so early beds. We came home early. So this is my helper. Why are you laughing?
They're wanting me.
What? Are you not the one helping me? The one, no, she's the one that has scattered everywhere now. I pray she do it. This used to be her timetable. I don't know if she's still using it. Me, I'm going to remove it. Are you still using it? You're done with WAEC. So sweep the front of the bed. I'll adjust it, then I'll now see. So one paper is under that side. I'll adjust it before I'll start mopping that side. Then we'll arrange one side, pack things again, arrange another side. So I'll just try.
go. Yeah, and you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on.
Baby gets tired. Me, I'm tired. Like I didn't even know that I'll be able to do this today. Yes. So the next thing now is to eat. Where's my food? Where's my food? Please give me my food. Help me with my food. Did not bring water. Yes. Mineral. My cheese sauce. Everything I'm going to eat. I don't even know the one I'm into now. Like the hunger is so much that all the things that is. Where is the camera?
A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna